So hello everyone, today I'll be continuing the mock test and today we'll be doing a mock test on paper 2, that is computer. So in the last video I've explained how to fill up your NSSB exam. NSSB exam the kina evo kulito first inga daguo roll number likhuo answer sheet likhuo edijide OMR sheet diwo OMR sheet te kundu answer correct aje udade kala guru lelao. So you can check the previous video which will be provided in the link. So now today I'll be explaining paper 2 computer portion shikawa. We will do a mock test and this will be the final mock test before your exam. So let us look and let us see what type of question will come. So sure grow paper 2 basic computer knowledge, and if you want the mock test you can contact in the Telegram channel in the aspirant circle which will be provided in the link description below. So let's get the video started. Question number 1, in which view headers and footers are found? Headers और footers के जो बोले तो एक तो तकों में ऊपर दे पेज नंबर ऊपर नीचे दगा ये तो के header footer कोई. So कुंदु बा say normal view, page layout view, print layout view or draft view. So the answer will be print layout view. Next, to apply center alignment. So question number 1, in headers and footers, this will be also seen in the insert la option in MS Word, header and footer. So second question, to apply center alignment to a page, what can we press? So center alignment to suppose एक page te इनका तुला words कौनगा उल्टा पुल्टा ना, so इधर क्या एक center डे आने वाले की दबा वाले ले. So it will be, so the answer is control plus E. Control plus E to copy करे और control plus S to save करे and control plus V to paste करे. Suppose तो एक word, suppose word को नहीं तो copy करे और तो एक नতুन document दबा शिकले तो control plus V दबा शिकले तो paste हो जाओ. And control plus B is bold. For example एक word इनका है, so तो bold करो मुझे, that means all of dark बा करो मुझे. So the command will be control plus bold B. Question number 3, the text styling feature in an MS Word is what? So text styling means word to alag style ba kura do idi ki koi, it will be the word art. Which item are placed at the end of the document? So at the end of the document they keep place kuna de. So what will be the answer? The answer will be endnote. Header footer to upper niche de dago or footnote to, for example document na niche de kibekta likhina dago idige footnote ko. Next, question number 5, the number of letters, a number of letter that appears a little above the normal text is what? So it is also known as the superscript. Question number 6, we can insert a page number at. So I've already told you page number to kutiba kibas set kore at by the header or footer be equal to the, so both A and B. Next, which one can be used as a watermark in a document image? Watermark to case suppose in this document you can see this institution logo A. So it is watermark and it watermark to both text or image be ho pare. Watermark to, for example, one likho pare aspirant circle. So this is also a word and image to udo A digalo. So it will be both A and B. Next, which feature starts a new line whenever a new word or sentence has reached a border? So at the border punjatam de idu ekta tai next line dijaja. So it will be what? It will be text wrapping. Next, the space left between the margin and the start of a paragraph is also called as the. So for example itu, to suppose itu, for example this is the margin ditu ase aro image to words to eta shuru kore. So itu space itu ditela major space to ki koi idige. So what does it call? So the answer is indentation. Next, the direction of a rectangular page for viewing and printing is called. So direction of a rectangular page for viewing and printing is called case. So itu rectangular page ki koi dige orientation koi. Next, what is the intersection of a rows and column of a worksheet called? So rows are columns do tela rows to itu je aro column itu je. So itu dita ikilo log paise kule to ki hoy ekta cell hoy in a Microsoft Excel. Which function in Excel tells how many numeric entries are there? So itu function de ki ase numeric entries means itu ki numbers can end korda. So the answer is count. Question number 13. A feature that displays only the data in column according to specific criteria is what? So it is also known as filtering. Next, what type of chart will you use to compare performance? So what type of chart will you use to compare performance of two employees in the year 2016? So duita employee la performance to kina suppose ekta mano aro ekta mano tala data entry kushi la performance to ki ba chart kore. So this will be charted by a line chart. Next, what is not a function of MS Excel? Function to ke to Excel de. For example, Excel itu Excel cells kan ase. For example, this is an Excel cell. So yade 1 or 2 ase. To tela function dike ase. For example, itu dita plus krom je. So we write sum. Inga. So itu ange function goi. Sum gro shukle dita number ke add kro. So the function the ki ase. So average pick ase. That is not a function. Sob to function as sum, maximum, minimum itu sob to maximum the ki hoishikule to. For example 21 31 7 9 inga. So find the maximum hoishikule to itu 31 inga bisaro. Minimum hoishikule to itu. But average is not the answer. So average is not a function, so average is the answer. Question number 16. The function in MS Excel must begin with. So होता है एक सेल शुरू करम दे. Suppose एक सेल आज तो ये 1 or 2 इतु दिता प्लस करे गुशिकले तो first तो किना शुरू करो. The function will start with is equal to इतु जिते इतु block के select गुशिकले तो तेला cell number लो. Suppose C1 आरो mon function लो plus means arithmetic function to the law aro itu cell ke add kurila C2 inga. So this is used the starting of every function is used every function is started with an equal sign. Next, in Excel columns are labeled as. So column the ki label kuje A B C column the ke is one aro rows kando 1 2 3 inga shuru karo. So rows will start 1 2 3 4, columns are A B C D like this. So keep in mind. Next, the process of arranging the items in of a column in some sequence or order is also known as. So the answer will be sorting. What do you use to create a chart? So chart to ki banai. So the chart is used by the chart wizard. Question number 20. How many sheets are there by default when we create a new Excel? So sheets to kiman dage? Sheets to itu Excel azukle to yede sheet 1, sheet 2, sheet 3 dago. So the answer is sheet 3 sheets. Which of the following form data is stored in computer? So data do key from the store korna dage in binary form. Binary to ki ase 0 or 1. Two binaries, 0 means off, 1 means on. Computer monitor is also known as, so computer monitor is also known as visual display unit or VDU. Question number 23. www stands for, so it is also known as the World Wide Web. Arrange the following in the memory. So terabyte, kilobyte, gigabyte, megabyte. So it can arrange crew ascending order ko je chutu badang. The first to kiawa kilobyte awa, megabyte awa, gigabyte or terabyte awa. So the answer is this one. That means chutu badang or opposite thangor ba chutu. It is just an it is confused kurle kurala je. That is it is function to inga kurle inga shikle to first the kb awa, it is the mb awa, it is the gb awa, it is the tb awa. So see the function this one and this one. So it was the answer. Next, which one of the following are the components of the central processing unit? So central processing unit la ki ase? Arithmetic and logical unit or control unit. Arithmetic and logical unit ki kore kojisule to it calculations plus minus concept to idu kore. Control unit pa idu to have different parts of the computer to tai control kore. Next, which of the following is the first generation computer? First generation ki ase? First generation will be vacuum tubes. Second generation ki ase? So it will be first is vacuum tubes, second is transistor, third is integrated chips. Next, if a computer has more than one processor, it is also known as, so more than one processor so it is also known as the multi-processor. Question number 28. If a computer provides data services to other, what will it be known as? So database services. So computer ekta database services it is also known as a database server. The full form of URL is what? URL to ke www.facebook.com. So it ki address is. So the URL is what? It is uniform resource locator. Next, 8 bits method so bits ata bits to ki so the 8 bits will be a byte. Bit huo, byte huo, or kilobyte huo, megabyte huo inga. So it will continue like this. And just remember that 1 megabyte banao ke manawa 1024 kilobyte. Similarly, 1 gigabyte ke manawa 1024 megabyte. Inga 1024 delivery. Next, movies, documents, and images and photographs are also stored in. So movies, documents, images, or photographs to this in the file server. What is the full form of GUI? So the answer is graphical user interface. Who is the founder of Bluetooth? The Bluetooth to kun ba phone korje? The answer is Ericsson. Steve Jobs the Apple la je. Martin Cooper the father of cell phone goy. Apple la founder the Steve Jobs la je. Linux to ke jogule the Linux What is Linux? Linux is an operating system. Linux, Unix, Windows aro Linux. It was of the operating system aro programming language usually the Python, C++, C Sharp. It is of the programming language. Next, which is the most common language used in web designing? So web designing to ki jolai HTML. HTML stands for hypertext markup language. Which among the following is odd? Odd to ki jugule to sob to memory devices. So the answer is this is also memory device. Floppy disk is also memory device, and SSD is also memory device. The answer is BIOS, basic input output system, that is BIOS. Next, ROM. ROM the case what is ROM? ROM is a non-volatile. Non-volatile means to delete kurchugli nare jao. So it is also known as non-volatile. Volatile is RAM. Random access memory kan the volatile. That means ek bar to save korna guli to hari jao forever. Next, what is the full form of SMPS? SMPS stands for switch mode power supply. It is something related to your battery, that is UPS, that is uninterrupted power supply. Next, question number 30. What is the full form of EXIF? EXIF la full form de keze. It is exchangeable image file format. Next, which device among the following is used for sending digital data over the phone line? To ki use kore digital data over phone line. It is also known as modem. Internet pa send gorala ke modem koi. The internet was originally a project of which agency? So it is what? It is ARPA. It is expand goshila ARPA net. I have already told you that internet to puila to ekta military application lection. However, it became popular as now we call as the internet. The computer jargon www stands for www is World Wide Web as a huli. Charta W is the World Wide Web worm. Next, in internet terminology, IP means key. IP means internet protocol. It is used for accessing the internet. Next, a computer on internet is identified by. So, ekta internet to key by identify kore. It is identified by the IP address. IP address to, for example, to ekta personal computer address. You are staying at Kohima. Aro to ekta cyber crime gurje. Suppose monoke to impersonate gurje. Suppose you made a Instagram account of your friend and you started demanding money from other people. Alak monoke to poisa tamki dina poisa mangule try gurje. So police kamba kita cyber crime division kamba kita tuila udo Instagram kanto locate kuro tuila location jani jao. Why? True. How? Through the IP address. IP address to tuila position aro tuila computer ko tiba access kursi udula address tege. It consists of some numbers like 285P1 dash dash inga. So this is also known as the internet protocol, also known as the IP address. Next, which was the initial name of MS Word? MS Word la initial name dikhe. First, now it is called Microsoft Word, but before it is also known as multi-tool Word. Next, who invented C++? First of all, C++ dikhe jugli do C++ do ekta language for computer languages aro idike konba invent kurche Bjorn Stroustrup. Next, which of the following is present in quick access toolbar? So quick access toolbar de ki ke means opor tagala katakomo support tagala save it on top tagala. So the answer is save, undo, redo. So it will be all of the above. Next, which of the following computer is used in hospital for ECG and dialysis? ECG means electrocardiogram, means tila pet narigan kiki kan sawole. So this is used by the hybrid computer. Hybrid computer both analog or digital cholai. So question number 49, a process is a, what is a process? Process the case program execute kora. So this is B, program in the execution. Question number 50, the last question for today is, what is the smallest unit of a computer of the information? So smallest unit case it will be bit. Atta bit to ki bana ekta byte bana. Remember this. So with this the computer portion has been completed. So I hope you understood something, and all the best for your NSSB exam, and always believe in God. Before writing your exam, always pray to God, and you will always be successful in life. So thank you all for watching and have a great time.